I got one of these as an anniversary present literally 3 days ago, and it just won't work anymore. Like, it's plugged into the wall over there. It's the black one. And you hit power and nothing happens. But if you hold this one, nothing happens. If you hold this one, nothing happens. But if you hold this one down, it just flashes like that. I don't know if it's defective or what. I seen that there isn't teal ones available on Amazon. I don't know where it was purchased at, but I don't know how else to get a hold of Keurig directly. So, yeah.